digging a hole, but my bolsters keep giving way. So I have to keep digging more. It's filling up quicker than I'm digging at this rate.
What's the digging to filling ratio?
I reckon it's probably like 27 to 28. So it's slowly filling in.
And Adam's made Stonehenge!
I'm playing Stonehenge and I'm gonna get some little shrimpy friends and put them in there.
I'm quite sad because I've got a boo-boo. And basically I was sitting in the seat, first off, that sounds me right.
You sat on the rock.
I sat down and then the tide was so aggressive, hostile, and it pulled me, pulling my bare ass, not bare, it had a bikini. And yeah, and the stones scratched, what is on my forehead? Anyway, and the stones scratched my boo-boo bum, and it really hurt.
Okay, I'm gonna break the northernmost bolster, sand in.
Why do you want more sand in?
So I can get more sand out.
It's like stocks, isn't it?
Over time, Stonehenge will fall to the many, as even though they are small little grains of sand, they will bury Stonehenge.
Wait, is this a prediction for like the real Stonehenge?
Exactly.
You have a voodoo doll of Stonehenge.
And I am the epitome of Stonehenge.
God, it's so good.
Thank you.
Imagine if I dropped my phone in that crevice.
Oh, it's fine. I can reach the bottom. See, now it's starting to get hard at the bottom again. So I'm going to need to get more sand in. See, this makes it bigger sideways, and then just keep going down, and then you can start getting that out.
You sound out of breath. Something took over Alex's body today, and it's never going to be the same.
It's a fucking rabbit. You can put your feet in now.
Oh, okay. Landslide. It's coming.
Yeah, the bolsters aren't very sturdy.
Whoa! How did you stand up that quick?
It's like one of those things that blow in the wind.
Oh, I can do it. I can help with my feet, like like grapes.
What?
Stomping grapes, making them into wine. I'm making wine. I'll keep rubbing, you keep digging. We can swap.
In there.
Adam's been told he needs to increase his output levels.
Harder, faster,
Anyway,
You're burying me at the same time.
faster.
you start hitting me. Oh, I love it.
Oh, it's going swimmingly.
Are you gonna bore some tunnels?
I'm boring right now.
Yeah, you are.
I'm currently working on my expansion. As you see how we've cleared the surface here.
Yeah.
I'm working on my expansion. We're boring under right now, and we're gonna try and. I'm gonna tap away at that, and that will release the sand into the pit, and we can excavate it like that. But I've moved all of the excess on the surface here, and we'll expand that way next. Whoa! Look at that! Big hole!
No one else is saying anything.
Everyone's in shock.
Efficiency output has increased 10 times! Adam?
Just a layer in time as you go back in time, when you get back to here, probably around
30 squonks ago.
100 years ago.
30 squonks.
When there was a different composition of the sand.
Oh,
it was
really?
darker, maybe that means there was more organic matter.
My pet jelly. The salt is in my eyes and I'm crying.
Oh my gosh. Nice touch.
Nicole! Nicole, don't you?
Yeah.
I hate you!
We're about to take a little paddly pop.
It's our third paddle. Well,
Yeah.
the last two have been more of a swim.
Wow, the tide's come out so much. Gone in so much, should I say. No, gone out. We're looking for nice rocks.
All we can find is jellies.
Someone's got a tad sunburnt. Last night, me and Adam went to a work do.
A work beach.
I fell over
Yeah,
in
then
town
we walked a
and I have a big
marathon. We walked a marathon. We ran a marathon getting to some house party that was shit. And then we just went home.
I mean, we didn't really give it a chance, but
No,
and I didn't really know what was happening. I
me
just
neither.
was following your lead.
I was following the crowd.
And then Fabs picked us up
Yeah,
and I had a shower.
you did.
Most boring thing I've ever said. We've got hay fever.
Yeah, you can probably tell with our snuffles.
With our snuffles and our bung.
Long.
We're bunged. Later, those guys are going to an exit fest at the uni. But I'm not going because it's very expensive. And
not worth it. It's
not
gonna be
worth
shit.
it. It's AIDS pops, if anything.
Rock.
If you hadn't noticed already, this place is infested with seals.
This place is infested with crocodiles. I cannot tame it. Ah. Name the thing you're going to miss most about me when I leave.
What are you guys doing?
Going home.
Doing a hole in the sea.
And I'm making a little barrier.
And it's
around-
really fun when you do this bit.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, there's some water. You gotta watch out for that. It's quite bad for holes. Yeah.
So he's putting jellyfish in here,
How cute and tiny this one is.
and it's their new habitat.
Until the tide comes back in. Hopefully it doesn't get too hot with the sun and they'll all cook. That is the worst case scenario. Best case, they all live. New jellies for the collection. In the cage.
I'm loving the ridges.
They are very nice.
I will not film my feet though.
Jellies I just collected.
Wow,
New
so
home.
many.
I've saved all of their lives.
Aw, save the
They're all-
jellies. Hashtag save the jellies.
That's a nice healthy one.
She loves the beach. He loves the beach.
I think they're all adults. Oh, like I don't know what type of jelly they are. But they're not. They don't stick.
No, I don't.
A distant cousin of the Portuguese man of war, the most deadly jellyfish to roam our waters.
Sorry, we can't see it.